Hi, this is Pasang from Clinilaunch. So, welcome to Knowing Our Student. Here, we would be getting to know about the reviews and the responses from one of our students present here. Yeah. So, kindly introduce yourself.
Myself Salma. I'm from Andhra, Anantapur, and I have completed my graduation in B Pharmacy, Anantapur JNT itself.
So, Salma, how did you come to know about our institute Clinilaunch?
It's my friend recommendation.
Okay, all right, fine. And how many months have you been with us?
It's been 1 week here.
1 week. Okay. So, how do you like the classes? Like, how is the training going on right now?
It's very good, and I'm comfortable with all the nature and the training staff here.
Yes.
And they're very comfortable with us, and they're very interacting very well with us.
That's great. That's great, Salma. And what about your qualifications, Salma?
I have qualified in this B Pharmacy, and this year I have passed out in B
Okay.
Pharmacy.
Okay. So you are a fresher.
I'm a fresher.
All right, fine. So yes, Salma, when you joined our institute, Clinilaunch, what are the promises that was made to you, and what are the expectations that you will be getting through this institute?
They promised me that in 6 months they'll be definitely trained us very well, and they will be placing a job in a best company which we preferred for that.
So yes, Salma, with regard to the classes, how are you faring so far? Like, are you able to understand what is being taught in the classes?
I'm able to understand classes. This is Priyanka ma'am is there, one of my trainer who is teaching me clinical SAS classes. She's very well in teaching, and she's directly interacting me with these codings and everything else.
That's great, actually. And what about your, classes? Like, are you taking online or offline classes?
Offline classes.
Offline classes, okay. And is it interactive classes?
Yeah.
That's great, all right. So, through these classes, what are the things that you are expecting to gain actually in these 6 months?
I'm just knowing to skill my skills there, and interacting with the trainer very well.
Okay, that's great actually. So, I'm very glad that you are having a very positive, feedback on our institute. And just to end with this question actually, would you be referring any of your friends so that they can get the same benefit as you?
Yeah, definitely I'll refer one of my friends who will be like my juniors or my friends like that. And this is the institute where we'll be trained and will be placed in a good company. So I'll
That's
refer them.
great. That's great, Salma. Thank you for giving us your time.